According to Judge Ratha, there's no way that an evidence can be planted, right? And yeah, another thing that is worth noting is the fact that Advocate Mgomezulu asked very crucial questions on this matter. And the questions that he asked, I don't think they will ever be answered by by the cell phone experts. And I'm definitely sure the likes of Advocate Mshololo will also wants to know. So that is what we're going to do in this video, because I also think that you do want to know. But Lega, just so that this look, let's get straight into this one. Advocate Gomezulu had asked some of the questions such as, what makes you say this was Moses' number? And then he said, he says that the number was identified through Truecaller, right? And he says that they applied Section 205 and during his arrest for Tembisa matter. Then Ngomezulu says, listen, when my client was arrested the first time, his phone was never taken. So if you are saying that my client or my client's phone was taken during the time when he was arrested for the Tembisa case, then then you are mistaken, because when my client was arrested, then his phone was never taken from him. So what are you talking about when you say that when they arrested him for the first time, they applied Section 205? Why? When was that done? Because when my client was arrested, that was never done, right? And then listen to this one. When advocate Advocate Mgomezulu was busy exposing this guy, then the guy says, no, I don't know, Mina, I wasn't there when he was arrested. Now, like, okay, all right, but also, Mina, I know because I'm here, so I put it to you that you do the following. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people, because to subscribe it is free, to like the video it is free, to comment in the comment section below it is free of charge, to click the notification bell it is free of charge, to share this video it is free of charge, to watch this video until the end it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contributing to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the super thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel, and you know what I'm saying, we'll bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. The cell phone experts, he says, nah, I know that this happened because there was indeed a communication between, the accused, Mngube, and Fisokuhle Ntuli. Yeah, so there was a communication. You know what I'm saying? He goes on to name all the things, so I'm not going to dwell on those things. Sorry, Skumbuzo Bucks, Uti, their style take pictures. Guys, please answer the ask. So, Temsim Chicha, Uti, I don't understand this, right? These guys were arrested. They show, they show, they had their phones and SIM cards. Yes, back. No new phone smuggled in for them. This case, let me repeat this one. I don't understand this. These guys were arrested. They somehow had their phones and SIM card. No new phones were smuggled in for them. This case, Utemsi is being confused by a lot of things here. Now I understand your confusion, yeah? There were no intruders in that house, and the sad thing is that whosoever pulled that trigger is going to get away with murder scot-free. Hey, when 34722, I get you. I understand where you're coming from. I get you. And then uh so is SAPS can arrest someone and give him his phone back. You see, that's why I said, the problem with lying is that it's gonna catch up with you. One way or the other, it's going to catch up with you. That is exactly what lies are doing now. Mchicha uti. Makes sense why Stan couldn't come and testify due to retirement. When we hadn't had people who retired to come to testify. Uti, when we have had people in fact, Uti, when we have had people who came from retirement to come and testify, I get it. You are not long ago. The guy who was in charge of that prison, right? He was there. He was. You are making a lot of sense there. At @Sale_Seba, contact saved, pictures deleted, screenshots. This info is useless. Can we get into where the messages were exchanged and when calls were made? Can we all of this lead us to the fateful day? Enough. That was my problem, to say message deleted, this, but there's no substance. There's nothing for us, or there's nothing for the Meiwa family. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing for Meiwa there, right? If the defense don't challenge how they obtain the confiscated phones, then they know their clients obtained them illegally. Otherwise, it will help their lawyers if they deny and tell the court that the phones were confiscated. Okay, I get you. Ntuli saved Mshololo's number as Miss Mshololo, which again, I've said it in my other video already. Guys, there's nothing wrong there. Here, look, there's no violation of anything there, right? Unless you are telling me that for the fact that a criminal knows your name, that they must arrest you. So, yeah. The accused having filled a day in court, you can tell that they are listening to suckers from the state witnesses. 2014 evidence and the statement are only written 3 years back. Mzansi is a joke. Accused versus SAPS instead of witnesses who were present. You know what? Let me pass, because if I can comment here, they will say me this, but I fully concur with you though. Huh? Let's hold on 34-722 Uti. I bet that Brigadier Kininda is somewhere in an unknown. This one, when I read this one, hey. I bet that Brigadier Kininda is somewhere in an unknown location, listening carefully and making corrections, cooking up some statement for the next officers that are going to be called by Advocate Baloyi, a rigged case and biased judge. No justice will be saved. Yeah, but there's gonna be a witness who's not on the list. That I can concur with that. Okay, someone else. So out of 2,500 pages that this witness has downloaded, the only thing he came. Yeah. The only thing he came to tell us is about this love letter, deleted messages, screenshot. Yo, Ubaloyi mele afundiswe a walk of shame. Yo. I get you at Asile_Seba. I just recovered the pic that deleted, and it shows the date it received, the day received it, and how I received it. But basically, this that's exactly what they came to tell us. I wouldn't even disagree with you, by the way. These guys have nicknames that are local, that they call all each other as Zungu said, but they choose to store each other's contact by their real names. We are up to something. In other words, A friend of mine will store my contact as maybe Bongs. You know what I'm saying? I get what you're saying. And for accused number 3, what are you saying? What are you talking about? No DNA match the accused gun in question. In question, also in dispute. Why was it a revolver or a 9mm? Evidence was tampered with. And why will you tamper with an evidence if you are innocent and not hiding anything? Yay! Let's 324-722. You know what? You are up to something. You are cooking. I see. And let me put my charger here. You know what? You are up to something. You are cooking. You can't tamper with an evidence that, you are up to something. You are up to something. What? Oh, I read 1234. This man was told to win this case by all means possible. More than 100 police officers are still called to testify. Okay. Nduli is supposed to have Mshololo's number because she has been representing him in other cases. Don't be daft. Exactly. You've got it correct. Not at all. I just want a watertight case and evidence to prove this man really killed my neighbor at Meza. I got you. What we have now, it's very much questionable. And then, Mayor was shot on the 20. I think this person meant 26th of October 2014, right? Almost 10 years ago. The epitome, the epitomes, the state of SA justice. What an absolute fuck up. Hang your head in shame presiding over such a disaster. Oh, then they tagged Uram Ulamula at Don Scott, 23. Hey, where Don Scott? I get you. I really understand where you're coming from. I really understand your frustration. The way Ratha is rushing these days, you can tell he's like, Aibo, you guys must finish now. It's not like you are gonna get justice and stuff. Yeah, so in other words, Judge Ratha has concluded that these ones, they must be arrested, full stop. And I wouldn't disagree with that, judging from his behavior, by the way. Yeah. Okay, the phone was confiscated when he was arrested. So why was Mokwane saying they didn't take his phone? Hey, the problem when Tim's underscore Twinkie lies have got short legs. A trial within a trial, a case within a case. This is no longer Senzo Mewa's case, but a total different case altogether. What a mess we look within a mess. What a mess within a mess. At Azania underscore black. Well, Azania, I see what you are saying there. Wait a minute. I might have missed something here. Since it was said that Mshololo was in contact with accused number 5, was it he in prison at the time and was the number read out? I think it's at Nkaim Tembu, right? I just want to know again. Are you guys saying that this witness was also paid? I don't know. We didn't say anything. What do you think? Stain said, "You're so much. I cannot." Stain says, "You're so much mess. I can no longer be part of it. I still have a conscience." It's Zeno 1002. So you are saying that the reason Stain refused to come is because he was like, this thing has got a lot of mess. Me, I'm not coming. Where KK again at Nabian Caramelo. Okay. Yasin Jatratamahotleng must go back to retirement village. He is not there to help us find the truth. The side remarks are the pins, or I think it meant at the hints, at men's_Ngumalo. I agree with you. I fully agree with you. Our judge? Make it quiet. I'm wondering if managed to show us the accused were communicating before 26th of October 2014, or if he managed to show SMSs or discussing how Senzo Mayor was killed, or yes, the matter of the accused. Exactly the point. The point is at _Omdala. The thing is, he was never there to help us with any of those. So somebody says true caller to identify a person's number. I've got a problem with this, right? That it appears like the state doesn't have its own independent, trusted thing. Why this so-called cell phone expert that keep referencing this software? Can the South African Police Service doesn't have their own system? Guys, bring an expert from a service provider with a concrete evidence. What is this? I'm telling you, even if that the service, the expert from a service provider, look, even if he does come, I can guarantee you he's not going to give us anything. By the look of things, look, you can tell by the way they do their things that man, these people don't have a taste, right? The ones who are calling these witnesses. So the difference between Steyn and House, Steyn never fought fights that were not his. He would have said, correct, I was not there. He wouldn't be certain. I get what you're saying. My issue with these lawyers is that seems like they don't know the law or how things work in a specific expertise, and they are corrected. They can't continue to undermine the system. Mgomezelo cross-examine is just useless. Okay. Like I said, a true caller is not reliable. Well, look, one can easily manipulate it. Thank you. That's why I asked the question. So you mean to tell me that the entire state doesn't have their own system, one that they can depend on? Come on, guys. Truecaller picks up names from other people's contacts. If they are also on, if you can even you can even edit it. Exactly my I listened to him saying whatever he was saying, and I said to myself, "Wait, but that me, I know Truecaller. For instance, somebody saved me with a different name, and then I use my number to call a person with a Truecaller. The name that appeared on that person is not my name because somebody saved me differently. Hey, so this is a mess, yes. We have so-called specialists in the South African Police Service who rely on the Truecaller identity. I mean, who rely on the Truecaller ID. Why not get people from Vodacom with authentic data to verify all of this nonsense? @Mtunga_K. I get you. From what I know and I understand about Truecaller is that if a person doesn't have a Truecaller account, and I have an account, and multiple people with Truecaller save your number as a specific name, it will show that name on Truecaller. Exactly what I've just explained. Do they know how Truecaller works though? I doubt. I really doubt. Anyone can edit your name on the Truecaller. Exactly. Yeah. People have been talking. Let me read these few comments and then we close. Right. What did Dega close? That is Tanzi's version. One of the witnesses have said that Tanzi's phone was confiscated upon the arrest, and the sister actually called them to say he has been arrested. But Tanzi says his friend Butelezi is the one who told the family, okay, let's leave this one. Then I think we're done. I've tried to read as much as possible when it comes to people's comments, and I just want to see what people have got to say about this, and so that I don't necessarily give you only my opinion, but we just get to see a lot from different people. So having done that, I'm hoping and wishing that you're going to do the right thing. And the right thing is that you need to subscribe, like the video, and comment in the comment section below, right? Having done it all, I also wish that you do subscribe, you do like the video, click the notification bell. It does help out a lot when it comes to the YouTube algorithm to promote this video to more people. Until such a time where we meet again, good people, please take care.